Hello guys, this is Filipino Word Battler and today I'm going to teach you guys on how to make a beautiful lotus towel art or a flower towel origami. But before that, let's do the intro. Hello guys, this is Filipino Word Battler and let's start doing the towel art in the form of lotus flower. So the things that we need are the following. So we need 3 small towels or smaller towels, and we have 2 big towels. And let's start now. Guys, let's start with the bigger towel. So first of all, you have to do is fold the big towel into half. Okay, this is half. So from the rectangular shape of the towel, now it is in square shape. So then take every end part. So this is the end part and put it in the middle. Hold the middle part and then turn it. So this is in the form of diamond or square if you do it like this. Okay, and then take the end part again. So this end part, put it in the middle. This side. So we have the now the next thing you do guys is take this part out. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is how it looks like that. Yes. Now to make another flower guys, you have to do the same. And let's do it again. Now I'll make another one guys. Again. Fold the towel into half. This half. Take every end. So this is in the form of diamond. So feet and turn it. So after turning it, guys, take the end part again. One like this. So the same procedure guys, it's very easy to make. Again, and we have this. Look. Okay, and after that one guys, put it on the top of the the first lotus flower. Now guys, let's do 3 smaller flowers. So in order to make this, guys, because this is smaller towel and this is in a rectangular shape, so it's hard to make it like this. So we have space here. So the thing that you have to do, guys, is fold it to form a square shape towel. So let's do the towel origami in the form of flower to make a lotus flower. Okay, after that, turn it again. It's the same process, guys, with the bigger towels. Okay. Okay. After that, take every end part to form the petals. And after that one, guys, now we have the two small flowers and we have the two bigger flowers. Now let's do the lotus shape. And we are back, and guys, these are our bigger flowers. So let's put the smaller flower on the top. On this side. Okay. And another one in this side. Now we have this lotus shape towel origami or towel art or towel design. And let's add some more or one single flower on the top. And let's do it. Hello guys, now let's make another flower. So this is another shape. The process is like making candles, guys, like this. And then you have to fold it right, left, this one, and then turn it. So this is like making candles, guys. Look. So you have to lock it here. So this is like making candles again. I made a video of this before, but the only thing, guys, is you have to fold this like this. So this one, we have this one, and you have to put this on the top of the flower that we made. So let's put it here, guys. Now we have the lotus flower towel origami or towel art. So if you want to put some designs, guys, you can either put some petals or the whole flowers. So it's up to you. And let's do it now. Now, guys, let's put some petals on the side. So guys, now we have the petals, and this is how it looks like. So it's up to you guys if you want to put the petals or the whole flower. So we put a flower on the top. Hello guys, and this is the final product of our lotus flower towel art or towel origami. So we are using petals here, and it's up to you guys if you want the petals or the whole flowers like this. So I hope that you learned something new or new skill from me, guys, and this is just a very easy to make towel art. So again, thank you for watching Filipino Word Batter, guys. To those who have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification below. Thank you guys, and keep safe, everyone.